on especially peristalsis. So when they do abdominal surgeries and they actually have to move the intestines and sometimes take it out of the body and hold it, they will actually clip it to something. It isn't like they can just put it on a hook, but because of the movement there, I mean, it's wild. Because of the movement and the peristalsis in the intestines, they actually have to like latch it into place. So because otherwise it'll come off the hook. That's how much they move. So it's important that we do address how much give and how much range of motion our organs have, because if that becomes constricted, then it's putting pressure on the peristalsis and the actual movement and ability for the organs to do their job. Because even within the breath, they can move a good amount in one direction and the other. So, people we just kind of take it for granted. The organs are there, they do their thing. No, they need movement, they need nourishment, they need flow as well. There's nothing that stays completely stagnant. So yeah, peristalsis is amazing that the body moves involuntarily on its own and we just kind of take it for granted and don't even realize it. So, but every once in a while you may hear it, that gurgling, it's like, oh, stuff is moving, great.
Which, I
Especially if
mean,
you,
and wouldn't you say you hear those gurgles oftentimes in a restorative yoga class or meditation or a massage? I know I start to really hear those digestive things going on when I take a moment to relax and like hang out and slow down.